Hello everyone. So if you love non-veg food, then today's recipe is only for you. And if you are uncomfortable with the non-veg food, so go to the next video and watch a dynamic, delicious, tasty recipe: eggplants or ladyfinger okra. As always, oil. So usually we use not much oil, but this dish required little bit of oil. So 2.5 cooking spoon oil, or if you want you can cook with ghee also. Zira. Now we will add whole spices: bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves.
बहुत कम spices.
So limited spices. And then we will add chicken. So wash your chicken very well and then add chicken. So this is chicken dish, but not chicken korma. So now we will roast this chicken. Keep roasting on a high flame. At this point, we can add salt as per your taste, turmeric. Now we will add ginger garlic paste, 25 gram garlic and 25 gram ginger. So mix very well and keep roasting on a high flame. Now we will add tomatoes. No need to chop. Just you can do 2 piece or 3 piece.
ये हो गया अदरक लहसुन का गया अपना टमाटर का अपन इसको ढक देंगे.
Now we will cover it and let it cook for
10 मिनट
10 minutes.
और जब तक ये गोश्त गल जाए.
So now we will remove this tomato skin.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get instant notifications of our new video upload.
Now keep roasting. तो कितनी देर तक करेंगे?
ये टमाटर मैश करने तक करेंगे, मतलब 4-5 मिनट इसी में हो जाएगा ना.
So now we will add other spices: coriander powder, red chili powder,
ये सब भूनता रहेगा ना, इसको हो जाएगा ये चिकन.
keep roasting, and chicken will be tender in this process also, so you no need to worry about that. Green chilies a little bit,
फ्लेम फुल रहेगी.
full flame. And now we will add curd. Don't use too much unnecessary spices. Just add this little spices and just follow the steps.
इसका टेस्ट देखने तक
Good, nice, है ना? So keep roasting like this 5-6 minutes. So see the color now. It's coming in its
अपन चेक करते हैं अगर
real
गोश्त
form.
गलने पे आ गया ना, ये
So,
देखो गल भी गया
check.
गोश्त है ना।
Yes.
तो अब इसमें बाकी का मसाला ये जाएगा।
Black pepper.
मिक्स वेल।
And remember that there is no any food color. What color you are saying here, it's original color of the dish just because of good spices.
इसका तरीका है साइड से घुमा करते हुए ये बोटियाँ टूटे भी नहीं और वो भी छोड़ेगी।
Little bit garam masala, pinch of garam masala, fresh coriander, green chilies, whole. Now cover it. कितनी देर के लिए?
2 मिनट
And let it cook for
एंड 3 मिनट।
2-3 minutes. So this is your best chicken dish is ready. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe our channel for upcoming recipes. And this dish called chicken kadai. So try this recipe and enjoy your dinner.